Alright, Lego Fanatics, we're back. I got some parts here. I'm doing some editing as well as building here, so let's get to it, shall we? Oh, gotta show you this. So, this little piece right here gave me so much trouble trying to get this long piece on here that I had to shave this piece that was in here to get it on there. Wouldn't bend right at the right angle, so I modified it a little bit. Too bad I didn't show that to you because I wish I had. But we're going to start with this. So I'm going to put this here, this here. I'm going to go over here and I'm going to put this round piece. Put this round piece here. Put this little square flat plate on top of it like that. There we go. Okay, now what's next? Alright, so now I'm going to lay these down so I can get them straight the way I'm supposed to have them, just like that. Now I'm going to take this piece, I'm going to go right across. Line those up just like. Oh, okay, it's supposed to go like this. Got it. It's supposed to hang over the edge. Got it. Okay, just like that. Then I'm going to take this and I'm going to go here. I'm going to take this and go like this. I'm going to tie this together with this round piece, just like that. I'm going to put this white grate here. Oop, nope, not like that. Like this. And put this here. This one's going to go here. This is going to be here, like that, and then this is going to be here, so that's how it should look. And then I'm going to flip it over, and I'm going to take two of these pieces. Okay. And I'm going to put one. I gotta have the space in the right way, like this. I'll put one here and one. Make sure I've got this right. Yep, one there. I'm gonna put this here, and I've got one more here. And then another one right here. So make sure I've got that right. Yep. Okay, now I'm going to put oh, I forgot to do something. Yes, I did. I am apologizing. That's okay, because I can still build it. Okay, so I've got this together. So I got to put follow the directions, spell. Okay, so is it like this or like this? It's like this. Alright, so put it together like that in the center. Okay, now I'm going to put this here. Okay. This is going to go there. Got it. Okay. This one will go like this. And then I'm going to take this part of it these little 1x1s. Make sure that's straight. And I'm going to take this and I'm going to put it right like there. Just like that. And I'm going to take this. And then I'm going to take these two pieces like this. Okay. I'm going to put two of these like this. So I like that. And this is going to go here. Oh, wait. I'm missing a piece. Okay, there we go. That's the way they're showing it, so I don't know if this is right or not, but I'm going to try it like this and see what happens. Like that. Then I'm going to take this piece and I'm going to put it here, like that. So it's kind of weird looking, but you see how they've got it. Okay. I'm going to take this piece. Okay, hang on. Why don't I have one of these? Okay, let me take this back apart for just a second because I think I did something wrong. Am I supposed to have this like this? This is how I'm going to have to adjust this for a second. So hang on, folks. Like this. Because that doesn't make any sense. This makes sense. Oh, okay. So then this is going to go. I get it now. This is going to go here. This goes here. Like that. There we go. That makes more sense. Okay. That makes more sense. There we go. See, I just had to look at the directions for half a hot minute. Alright, so that goes like that. Then we take this, we're going to flip it, and it's going to line up right with these. If it'll play by the rules. So this is supposed to go right here like that. And this is supposed to go right like that. Wait. Let me get this back on here so it's stable, and then I can. Oh, come on. Are you telling me it's not the right? This is supposed to fit right on that, but for some reason it's not. Okay, taking it back apart. Got it. Let's try this again. From the top, shall we? Okay, this goes here. Not that much. This one goes. Yep, like that. This goes here, like that. It just feels flimsy as heck to me for some reason. I don't know why that doesn't feel right. It just doesn't. Doesn't feel right. Like there's something missing here. Once again, bad design flaws in this particular build. Okay, so we'll stay like that. Yep, that's going to stay like that. And then this is supposed supposed to go? No, that's the one I wanted there. So I'm going to make sure these line up first before I get bent out of shape, which is going to happen fairly quickly because I'm really getting perturbed. And this is supposed to go like this. Okay, I'm going to put this on here first. Yeah, see, that's not right. I don't understand. Again, if this is correct, then that's supposed to go right there, but see how that's not lining up? So let me take a look at it and I'll come back. Like, subscribe, and share.